Okay. This is the laptop that I was mentioning that has a clean install of Windows 10 from the recovery. Well, I'm about to actually load up Alma Linux and I have it on the flash drive. Let's have a look. Okay, just ignore the outside noises. Okay, it boots up to the boot options, and then from there I just select the flash drive, and there we go. Just give it a moment. And here we go. It's going. It's going. And there it is. And it's rather nice. Just a very clean, minimal interface. That's pretty much what's installed right now. Get your software store. Hold on. And you have your terminal. Firefox, file manager. If you go over here, your basic stuff. Right now it's not connected to Wi-Fi. I'm not doing any updates. It's a very simple setup. The best part about this is I can actually take the same flash drive, anything I actually save or any documents or anything that are running on this system, the whole system is on the flash drive. I can run this off a tablet, off a MacBook. I can even take it to a desktop.